Welcome to Adesso. Founded in 1994, Adesso is a global provider of innovative computer peripherals and technology solutions, trusted by businesses, institutions, and government organizations worldwide. With a growing portfolio of over 300 products, including TAA-compliant solutions, Adesso delivers reliable, high-performance technology designed to meet the demands of today's connected world.
Adesso began its journey in California in 1994 and launched its global expansion with operations in Shenzhen, China in 2008. The company continued to grow across Asia with the establishment of offices in Taipei, Taiwan in 2018, supporting the production of TAA-compliant products. In 2019, Adesso established its Canadian sales and logistics operations in Toronto, Canada. Shortly after, expanded into Europe in 2022 with sales and logistics operations in the United Kingdom. And most recently, in 2025, built a new production facility in Bac Ninh, Vietnam, further strengthening its global footprint and supply chain. Adesso's China-based manufacturing facility serves as a fully integrated operations hub, supporting research and development, sourcing, and advanced production. The facility is equipped with in-house SMT, injection molding, assembly, and quality assurance capabilities, allowing Adesso to maintain strict control over performance, reliability, and consistency. Adesso's new Vietnam-based manufacturing and product development facility represents the next phase of the company's global growth. Scheduled to open in 2026, the facility will support advanced SMT, injection molding, assembly, supporting Adesso's future innovation and global demand. Through its Taiwan-based manufacturing operations, Adesso supplies products manufactured in full compliance with the U.S. Trade Agreements Act. These TAA-compliant solutions are designed to meet the strict requirements of government, defense, and security-sensitive environments.
Adesso is the company's flagship brand, offering a broad portfolio of innovative computer peripherals and technology solutions. From keyboards and mice to docking stations, audio gear, webcams, earbuds, and drones, Adesso products are designed to enhance productivity across work, education, and enterprise environments.
Gyration is Adesso's security and surveillance brand. Its product lineup includes advanced cameras, recording systems, and solar-powered solutions for continuous monitoring.
Gecko Gear is an Adesso lifestyle brand focused on automotive and personal safety and convenience. It offers dash cameras and in-car accessories to personal and professional body cameras and more. Adesso holds multiple patents awarded across key global markets, reflecting its commitment to original design, engineering excellence, and proprietary technology. At Adesso, our core values are built around people, our customers, partners, and employees. We embrace a people-first, customer-centric philosophy shaped by years of real-world service experience.
Adesso supports a comprehensive global sales network built on strong partnerships with leading distributors, resellers, and retailers. Adesso products are available across enterprise, education, government, and consumer markets. Adesso maintains an active presence at major trade shows and industry events throughout the year, engaging directly with partners, customers, and industry leaders worldwide.
Through the Adesso Nonprofit Foundation, the company gives back to the communities it serves, supporting education, cultural programs, and local initiatives. Adesso is committed to reducing its environmental impact through a clear net-zero carbon strategy by reducing energy consumption through renewable sources, using recycled plastics in product manufacturing, and responsibly recycling materials at end of life.